Hi everybody, Dr. Jody Kinney. So we're doing a series of videos on herniated discs in the neck. So neck, cervical or neck herniated discs are not fun. Can give you a lot of pain. Sometimes gives radiating pain, which means pain that shoots into the shoulder or all the way down to the arms, hands, and fingers. And treatment of a herniated disc can go from injections and drugs to often sometimes surgeries and in terms of like a fusion or a discectomy, and we want to try to avoid all of those things. So I, as a chiropractor, can help a lot of herniated discs by getting healthier motion and movement, healthier alignment, and take the pinching and the pressure off those spinal joints and off the discs just with cervical adjustments. So I'm going to show you how we do that. So first of all, we need to kind of feel around and see, and often I know, because I will have like an MRI or some sort of imaging that will let me know where the segments most herniated or most in need of adjustment. So I'm feeling around, and I know that my patient Sue has a herniated disc in her neck and does really well with adjustments. So little pressure in here, and you get a little movement. Good. And then just coming back the other way, find the areas that are not moving and a little motion, and that's it. And it doesn't hurt, right, Sue?
Not at all.
It doesn't hurt. It actually feels really good, helps take the pinching and the pressure off the nerves, and then we always finish up with some cervical stretching. Stretching is so important when it comes to the muscles that get really, really tight and tense when you have a herniated disc. So don't go the drug route if you can help it. Don't get surgery or fusion. If you can help it, come to a chiropractor. Try a natural route of trying to manage and alleviate the pain of a herniated disc. Once you have a herniated disc, it doesn't go away. It can get worse if you do nothing. And adjustments are gonna help to alleviate the pain and the pinching and prevent it from worsening over time. All right, so come in and see us if you're struggling with disc issues. Dr. Jody Kinney signing off.